Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alice, and today we have a really fun topic. Today, we're talking about watching TV and how to talk about it in English. Simple, easy, everyday English. Perfect if you're cooking, driving, or just relaxing right now. Before we start, if this channel helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Okay, let's go.
Let me start with a simple question. Do you watch TV? I do. I watch almost every day. Movies, documentaries, cooking shows. I love them all. Okay, our first phrase is very simple. Ready? I watch TV. Say it with me slowly. I watch TV. Good. Now, let's make it longer. I watch TV every day. Or maybe not every day. Then say, I watch TV sometimes. Or my favorite, I watch TV at night. After dinner, before bed, so relaxing. Now, I have a question for you. Answer out loud. Do you watch TV? Say it. Yes, I watch TV. Or, no, I don't watch TV. Great job. Let's keep going.
Now, what do people watch? Let's learn the vocabulary together. Repeat after me. Movies. I love watching movies. TV shows. I am watching a really good series right now. That's actually true for me this week. The news. I watch the news every morning. Great habit and great English practice. Documentaries. I love watching nature documentaries. So beautiful and relaxing. Cartoons. I sometimes watch cartoons to relax. No shame at all. Reality shows. I watch reality shows. Very popular. Let's say them all one more time. Repeat. Movies, TV shows, the news, documentaries, cartoons, reality shows. Perfect. Today, people watch in many ways, not just on a big TV. I watch on TV. Classic. I watch on my phone. Very common now, especially in bed at night. Okay, I do that too. I watch on my laptop. And here's an important one. I stream shows online. Stream means to watch from the internet, like Netflix or YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, you're watching right now and learning English at the same time. That's amazing. One more. I watch TV with my family. Or we watch TV together every evening. Warm, natural, beautiful. When you find a show you love, you want to tell people. So let's learn how. I watched an amazing movie last night. Notice, last night is past, so we say watched, not watch. Important. Now, how do we describe a show? Repeat after me. It is funny. It makes you laugh. It is sad. It makes you cry. It is exciting. Action. Fast. Wow. It is romantic. A love story. Sweet. It is scary. Horror. I don't watch those. I can't sleep after. Quick practice. I describe it, you say the word. Makes you laugh? Funny. Makes you cry? Sad. Lots of action? Exciting. A love story? Romantic. Scares you? Scary. And good night. Now let's put it all together. Imagine you're talking to a friend. Listen and repeat. Hey, are you busy tonight? I found a really good series. Do you want to watch it together? It's a mystery series. Very exciting. little scary, but not too much. Maybe at 8 o'clock? After dinner? Perfect. I'll bring snacks. Simple, natural, real. You can say this tomorrow with a real friend in English. Okay, let's review all our key phrases slowly. Repeat after me. I watch TV every day. I love watching movies. I am watching a really good show. It is so interesting. I watched a movie last night. Do you want to watch something together? What are you watching? Can you recommend a good show? Wonderful! Say them again tonight and again tomorrow. That's how you learn. And that's it for today. Let's do a quick recap. Today, we learned vocabulary for types of shows, how to describe them, and how to talk about TV naturally with a friend. All A2 level. Simple, real, useful English. Remember, even 5 minutes of English every day makes a big difference. I promise. Now, my question for you. Write it in the comments in English. What is your favorite show right now? For example, my favorite show is, or I am watching blank right now. I read every comment. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep going. You're doing amazing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.